Replacing the label roll, fast and simple. Please press the black release button to open the MELAdoc label printer. Take out the empty roll and check MELAdoc for residues. Afterwards, please remove the first 12 labels of the new label roll. Then, push the roll into MELAdoc until it clicks into position. Make sure that the first label on the strip is positioned right over the label guide. Please hold the label strip in position whilst closing MELAdoc. Now insert the end of the label strip into the opening below the white guide roller and pull the trigger until the loose end is fully inserted. Additionally, an ink pad is included in the scope of delivery. To replace the ink pad, please open MELAdoc as shown before. Press the lever-shaped ejector button to unfasten and remove the ink pad. To insert the new ink pad, please press the ink pad gently into the opening until it clicks into position. After replacing the label roll and ink pad, MELAdoc is ready for the labeling of wrapped instruments.